In case you are interested to know the most typical value of the series, that is, the value around which maximum concentration of items occur. In such cases, mode is the most appropriate measure. So let us understand how is mode computed in individual series. Hello everyone, welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. So far you have understood estimating arithmetic mean, you have understood estimating median, you have understood estimating other positional values like quartiles, deciles or percentiles. Right now we shall understand one more type of a partition value, that is mode. You know what happens? Sometimes you are interested in knowing the most typical value of the series or the value around which the maximum concentration of items occur. So for example, if a manufacturer wants to find out the style of a shirt which is frequently demanded, in that case, mode is the appropriate measure. So let us understand more about it. Mode is the most frequently observed data value. That is, mode is that value which occurs maximum number of times. So it is a position of greatest density or a point of highest concentration of value. It is the most common value found in a series and is denoted by Z. Defining mode in the words of Croxton and Cowden, the mode of distribution is the value at the point around which the items tend to be most heavily concentrated. As is the case with other measures of central tendency, mode is also calculated in individual, discrete and continuous series. Right now we shall begin with the calculation of mode in individual series. As is known to everyone that there is no frequency in individual series. Only the values of variables are given and data can be arranged in ascending or descending order. So there are two methods of finding mode in individual series. One, by inspection or observation method, and two, by converting the individual series into the discrete series. We shall begin with the first method, that is inspection or observation method. Let's understand calculation of mode with the help of an illustration. So the question here is that find out mode from the following data. A data is given here using observation method, and secondly by converting individual series into discrete series. In observation method, the first step is to arrange the series in the ascending order. By doing so, we have got these values, and then you need to observe which value is occurring the maximum number of times. So let's have a look. 29, 33, they are occurring only once. 45 occurring once. 55 is also occurring once. Then 59, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Then 64 is occurring once, 68 is occurring once, 72 and 72 occurring 2 times, 76 and 80 are also occurring once. So we find that it is the value 59 which occurs the maximum number of times. So the mode is 59. The second method is to convert the individual series into discrete series and find out mode. So two columns are made. One is items, another is frequency. So we have written all the items only one time, and then after counting we have written the frequencies. We have seen that 29, 33, 45, 55 have occurred only once. So frequency of 1 is mentioned here. We found that 59 occurred 4 times. So 4 is the frequency of this value. After that 64, 68 occurred only once. 72 occurred twice. 76 and 80 occurred only once. So by arranging the series and finding the frequencies also, one finds that 59 occurs the maximum number of times. So mode is 59. I hope you have understood both the methods of estimating mode in individual series. These methods are inspection or observation method, and secondly, converting the individual series into discrete series. It's very simple. So next time we shall discuss estimating mode in discrete series. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.